Hi. My question is, there was a language barrier between an employee and an employer. This employee got hurt in August of last year. His employer did not want to do workers' comp, but just paid for whatever payment that he went to at a clinic. He took a couple days off. Still was hurting, but the employer said you had to come back to work. He went back to his country that he normally does for the last 4 years because he works outside, so the season goes down. He went to the doctor over there. They gave an X-ray. He sent back a CD. Came back, talked to his employer, and his employer just refuses to pursue anything other than workman's comp.
Okay, so Ed, let's back this up. So first of all, I guess she's wanting to know, in a nutshell, can your employer dictate, like if you go to them and say, I'm hurt, can they dictate who you go to, who you're seen by, that sort of thing?
Yes, under the Alabama Workers' Comp Act,
Okay.
the employer gets to say where the worker goes to the doctor.
Okay.
So the employer can dictate that. But what we see in these situations where the employer has not turned it over to the insurance company, the employer is paying it out of his pocket. Sooner or later, those pockets are going to get empty, or the employer is going to get tired of paying for those treatments, and then they'll stop paying, and the worker is left in the lurch. So what we have to do is we have to get this thing turned around, and we have to get the insurance company involved and the insurance company paying, because the insurance company has longevity and you can look forward to them being able to pay it over time. That's who should be paying it.
Did I catch that he's out of country right now?
I think he must come into work for,
Right.
high season and
go
then
out.
leave and then come back.
And then he
maybe.
came back. And
So
as
they
far
would
as I
have
could
to-
tell, he's back at this time.
He is back now, okay. Ed, tell the folks about Panel of Four, what that means and when you can use it.
Well, the thing is the law allows you to get a second opinion. A lot of times you go to a doctor and you don't feel comfortable with that doctor, or you don't think that doctor is doing a good job for you, and you want to get a second opinion. And the law allows for the worker to get a second opinion. The problem is when you exercise this panel, you got to know how to exercise it. You have to know what doctor to choose from it. You have to exercise it in a timely manner. You can do it too fast, or you could do it too soon. It's like Kenny Rogers says, you know, you got to know when to hold them, know when to fold them, know when to walk away, and know when to run. So this is what we help workers do, to know how to exercise that panel and know when to do it.
Good advice.
All right.